Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I promised you I would give you one more Valentine's Day look before actual day arrived, and here it is. And what is Valentine's Day without pink, right? So I thought I would create this pretty pink look for you guys, and for the sake of time in the video, I'm not going to show you how I did my whole face. Yeah, I'm going to show you how to just apply the shadows themselves to achieve this look. And as I mentioned in the video, I am using the Dodolashes in style D119. And again, I am an affiliate with Dodolashes, so be sure to check the description box below for my discount code, or I may put it down here somewhere. It's just ouiouicherokee, and that will give you 5% off of your entire purchase from Dodolashes. Also, while you're here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you never miss another upload. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye. Alright guys, so for the sake of time, I am just going to be doing the eyes in this video. And as you can tell, my eyebrows are already done. I have primed my lids with my concealer, and I just want to point out that I am so dedicated and love you guys. I just hurt myself setting up my lights. Yeah, so reaching for my lights from where they were stored, I sliced my finger and it will not stop bleeding. Like, I've bled through a band-aid already, and I keep wrapping it and wiping it with alcohol wipes, and it is just killing me. But I was determined to do this video for you guys today. So again, I'm going to quit talking because I just want to show you guys how I apply these shadows. And yeah, so let's get started. So to create this entire look, we're just going to be using our BH palette. We're going to be using our BH Cosmetics 88 Matte Shade Palette. And of course, majority of the colors are going to be pink because, you know, what is Valentine's Day without pink? So using a blending brush, I'm going to take this really light pastel pink. Actually, I want this one. This pastel pink. And we're going to go ahead and just apply that all over to our lid. Now I have a little bit more of a hooded eye, so I've got to kind of carry my colors up higher a little bit more than maybe you would. So just tweak it to your needs. And so that's going to be our all over color, and this is going to be a really simple look to achieve, so don't feel like you can't try this at home. Using this, it's a little bit more of a tapered type of blending brush. I use it more of like a crease brush. I'm going to take the pink directly under that pastel, which is just a little bit brighter of a shade, if you can tell, and we're going to just go right up under that light pink, a little bit lower on our crease, and apply that. And these colors are very pigmented and buildable, so I'm going to use a couple of applications of that pink in the lower part of my crease, just to kind of brighten it up. What's funny is we're going to brighten it up, and then we're going to kind of tone it down, and it's just so the pink is not so stark. But you know, if you want more of a pink look, you don't have to tone it down if you like that brighter look. I don't want mine to be as bright, so I'm going to show you how to tone it down in just a second. So using a shader brush, what I'm going to do with the shader brush is, I actually think I'm going to take some purple. So I'm going to take this purple shade right here underneath another pink, and just kind of apply that on the outer V. It's going to mix really well with the pink, but it's also going to kind of tone down that brightness. So I'm going to go back real quick and do my brow bone highlight. So I always like to use this very top white, and then this one next to it, which has got a little bit more of a yellow. And just Go back and highlight the brow bone area and the inner corners of our eye. I still think I want to deepen up my outer V just a little bit more. I'm going to go ahead and take, let's do this shade right here because it's a little bit pinky red. But I'm going to pop that out here too. I kind of like that color. It's this one down here. It's not as red as I was fearing it would be, and maybe because I put that purple underneath it to kind of tone that down even more, but I like it. On the inner third of our lid, I'm going to go back and take this really pretty purpley pink. It's kind of more of an electric pink. And I don't think it's picking up that way on camera, but it is very bright. I'm going to pop that in the front part of our eye. Okay, so that's very pretty. That is very pretty. So to smoke out our lower lash line, I'm just going to take this this e.l.f. smudge brush here, and I'm going to go ahead and take that same electric pink we just put in the inner third of our eye. And let's see how it looks on its own first. I'm going to go ahead and apply that all under the eye and connect it to the outer crease of our eye. I like it. So that's very simple, just for the shadows. This is an easy way to utilize your pinks and to come up with a really pretty wearable look, and something that is very wearable for Valentine's Day. So off camera, I'm going to go ahead and apply my lashes, liner, and the rest of my foundation, and the rest of my makeup. And I just wanted to point out the lashes I'm going to be using for this look are Dodolashes, and this is in the style D119. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and pop these on, finish my makeup, and I'll be right back to show you the finished look. Alright guys, so I'm not sure how long these lashes are going to last due to the weather. My eyes are extremely watery and irritated today, but this is the final look, and I hope it looks okay and that it's picking up as vibrantly on camera as it is in person. Oh, I meant to show you guys the lipstick I'm using in case you're curious. So the lipstick I paired with this look is really cheap and really amazing. It's the Wet n Wild Pink Ice, and it is really metallic pink, and I love it, especially with this pink eyeshadow look, and I think it's perfect for Valentine's Day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to subscribe and give it a big thumbs up if you did. And if you guys try this look, don't forget to tag me on Instagram and let me know what you've come up with. Thank you guys so much for watching. Happy Valentine's Day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.